Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see the basic components of refrigeration cycle. This is the schematic diagram of refrigeration cycle. It consists of four components: compressor, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator. Major components of air conditioning system. Compressor. This component is the heart of the system. Pump refrigerant and oil through the system. Separates the high pressure side of the system from low pressure side. If it fails, no cooling is take place. This figure shows the compressor. Condenser. Condenser coil is what gets rid of the heat in the system. Can be water cooled, located inside, cooled with cooling tower water, or air cooled, located outside, open to the atmosphere type. Traps dirt and require preventive maintenance and cleaning. This figure shows the condenser. Evaporator. Provides cooled air to the space, located after the system air filters. Remove moisture from air. Traps inside dust in filter so required preventive maintenance. Evaporator fan located behind the condenser coil. Draw ambient air across condenser coil. Thermal expansion valve located at evaporator coil provides the correct amount of refrigerant to evaporate coil for proper cooling. Separates the high pressure side of the system from low pressure side. Failure could cause compressor failure and loss of cooling capacity.